Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat could not add friend. Please try again. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add any friend, so you see a message that your friend could not be added, you have to try again later. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically you have to check some things. The very first thing is that the user has not been blocked to you. So if you're trying to add anyone which have blocked you on Snapchat, so you cannot add them as your friend. So if you open your Snapchat app and here go for friends section, and here if you're trying to add any person which has blocked you, so you cannot add him. Or after that, you have to also make sure that the account which you want to add, it is not any deactivated account. So you have to also make sure that the account is activated or there is an green dot or it means active account. So after that you have to also make sure that you are not reached the friends limit on Snapchat. So now to see that you have to tap on the profile option in the top left corner, and here you have to look for friends and you have to check how much friends you have. You can see I have only 4 or 5 friends, so there's almost 6,000 friends you can add into your Snapchat account. So you have to check if you you have already added 6,000 friends. So you cannot add any more. So you have to delete any friends first, and then you can add any other friends. And after that, if you're trying to add friends too quickly, so you cannot add friends, you just have to wait for almost 1 minute or 2 minutes. So after that you'll be able to add friends. Or if you are not having issue like that, so it might be a network issue, you can easily fix that by refreshing your network, scroll down your control center, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to any internet using Wi-Fi or sell the data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, then go back, open your app store, search for Snapchat app, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find time to update your Snapchat app, then go back from here, open your settings app again, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Go back from here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that your issue must be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, go back, go for general again, go for iPhone storage, look for Snapchat here, tap on offload app or try to delete apps. After offloading or deleting, reinstall your apps. It will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app. It will be fixing this app, and after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to wait for almost 5 minutes and then retry, and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.